mabuting tao, magandang buhay, long live, long life, good person. Welcome to my vlog, my mabuhay years, mabuhay. I'm here just nearby Davao City Hall, celebrating Kadayawan 2024. Sharing you a glimpse here of the children's park, where the flowing water flows, where the river of God flows, blessing overflows. The eagle, the signature symbol of beautiful city, Davao City, where life is here in Davao. Join me as I capture the water flowing on this area with a turtle here and the fountain. Wow, so amazing. I love this one. Oh, there's a crocodile. Crocodile is... So we have the crocodile. Let's have a selfie with them. Selfie with the turtle and the crocodile. 1, 2, 3. Click. And of course, with the eagle. So this is my day here in Children's Park with a giraffe. I don't know what's this, but it's children amenities, children's park. There are many children's already, adult, on this area to celebrate the Kadayawan Festival. Jump pack. There is another. Do not know what's this. Is this a carabao or what? Okay, let's have a glimpse of this. Carabao or what's this? Cow. Oh, it's a cow. These are the amenities here in Davao City. So many people are having their family time, friends, just like this one. Happy Kadayawan. Happy Kadayawan, live tayo. Davaoenyo. Okay, Mabuhay channel. Yeah, ngaon yun ta na si baby. So Kadayawan is for the adults, the ones who was young, and everyone, the teenager. Thank you, my ku Davaoenyo. Okay, Mabuhay channel. Please watch tonight. Okay, so this is it, sharing their family, wonderful episodes. Anong surname? Unsa yung surname ninyo, sir, ma'am? Unsa yung surname ninyo? Apelido? Unday. Ha? Unday. Unday family. So thank you, Unday family. They're having their picnic with their small baby there. Happy Kadayawan, everyone. Thank you. Mabuhay channel, don't forget. Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Tonight, I will post. Oh, let's have a glimpse again inside of the children's park. I'm going now to the City Hall proper. Let's go, move on. Hi sir, mabuhay. So this is it. I go now to nearby City Hall to witness some more wonderful scenic view, spectacular there. So as of now, this is the situation now. So many people came to celebrate Kadayawan on this last day of Davao Kadayawan Festival. Every corner there are police officers to watch Children's Park. Sir, mabuhay. Anong tawag sa park na ito dito, sir? Osmeña Park. Okay, so this is Osmeña Park. Osmeña Park. So that is my shared moment of my tour to Osmeña Park. Thank you for being with me this moment of Kadayawan. Happy Kadayawan. Mabuhay, I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Thank you, mabuhayers. Thank you, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Till my next vlog, please follow me, my YouTube channel and my Facebook account. Of course, my Erlinda Bing Basilio page. Thank you ka, mabuhay. Mabuhay, years. Mabuhay, years. Hanggang may next vlog. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life. Good life, good person. Life and alive in Esplanade Park, Davao City. Celebrating Kadayawan 2024. Thank you.